Welcome to Car Show 1, where classic machines come to life and legends roll back onto center stage. Today, we're going deep into one of the most iconic off-road vehicles of all time, the 1960 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. This isn't just a vintage 4x4, it's a symbol of global durability, adventure, and go-anywhere attitude. Let's take you back to the post-war era. After World War II, many automakers were focused on producing utilitarian vehicles for rough terrain. Inspired by the American Willys Jeep, Toyota began developing its own rugged off-roader. The result was the Land Cruiser, and by 1960, the world was introduced to what would become its most beloved form, the FJ40. The FJ40 was Toyota's answer to the Jeep CJ and Land Rover Series 2. But it didn't just copy them, it added Japanese engineering, reliability, and simplicity to the mix, creating a vehicle that would go on to serve in deserts, jungles, mountains, and cities all around the world. Let's start with the design. The 1960 Land Cruiser FJ40 had a boxy, upright body that meant business. Everything about it was functional. Round headlights, a flat front grille, a short overhang for better approach angles, and strong steel bumpers made it clear, this wasn't built for looks, it was built for work. Yet somehow, its proportions and simplicity gave it a timeless charm that's still admired today. It was offered in various body styles, a two-door soft top, a hardtop, and even a pickup truck configuration. The doors and roof were removable, the windshield could fold forward, and the rear barn doors opened wide to carry gear, tools, or even extra passengers. Under the hood, the FJ40 was powered by Toyota's 3.9-liter inline-six engine, known as the F-Series. This powerplant wasn't the fastest, putting out around 125 horsepower, but it was extremely durable and offered excellent low-end torque, which made it ideal for crawling over rocks, wading through rivers, or hauling cargo up steep trails. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and a 2-speed transfer case, the FJ40 featured true 4WD capability. It could switch into low-range gearing, giving it incredible off-road crawling ability. It had leaf spring suspension all around and solid axles that added strength and articulation, making it one of the most capable off-roaders of its time. But the FJ40 wasn't just a farm truck or military rig, it was also tough enough for war zones, trusted by the UN, and loved by explorers who took them across the Sahara, Andes, and Australian outback. It quickly earned a reputation as a vehicle that simply wouldn't quit. Inside, the cabin was Spartan, with metal surfaces, exposed hardware, and simple switches. But it was built to last. You could hose down the floors, fix it with basic tools, and drive it through just about anything. There was nothing extra, but everything necessary. What truly made the 1960 Land Cruiser FJ40 special was how it combined rugged durability with mechanical simplicity. In places where roads didn't exist and parts were hard to find, the FJ40 just kept running. That reliability gave it a global reputation, especially in developing countries, where a vehicle's survival could mean life or death. The FJ40's legacy only grew stronger in the decades that followed. While production in the US slowed in the early 1980s, it continued in other parts of the world for years. And now, it's a sought-after classic, not just for off-road enthusiasts, but also for collectors and restorers who value its raw, timeless design. Today, many companies restore and customize FJ40s with modern drivetrains, upgraded suspension, disc brakes, and comfort features, blending old-school looks with new-school performance. But the spirit of the FJ40, adventure, reliability, and simplicity, always remains. So who is the 1960 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ44? It's for the explorer who wants to own a piece of off-road history. It's for the purist who loves mechanical simplicity over digital complexity. And it's for anyone who respects a machine that earned its place through hard work, not marketing hype. Thanks for watching Car Show 1. If you've ever driven, owned, or dreamed of the FJ40, drop a comment below. Would you keep it stock or go full resto mod? Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay with us for more classic legends, right here.